I'm Frank Darras, America's top insurance attorney, and today we're going to talk about what happens when we need to reduce the amount of our term insurance. The economy's been brutal, and all of us have been hammered. We've got an asset there, a term life insurance policy that's going to protect our family in the event of our death, but sometimes we just can't afford the premium. Term life insurance provides coverage at a fixed rate of premiums for a limited time period. After that period expires, the rate of premiums is no longer guaranteed. Now, term policies are offered in a variety of lengths, generally from 10, 15, 20, and 30-year terms. You can always reduce term insurance by modifying your existing policy or canceling that term policy and replacing it with a brand new life insurance policy. Calculate your current life insurance needs. Look at your debt. What's it going to cost to get buried? What do we need to provide assistance for our family if we were to suffer death? Then compare your current life insurance coverage to your calculated need. If the drop in your coverage needs isn't significant, you won't save much by lowering the coverage, and you're going to suffer some brain damage going through the process. Contact your own life insurance company and ask them about options for reducing coverage. You could or might face a penalty for early termination, or you may be required to cancel the existing policy. Most reductions, however, only result in a cheaper premium for lesser coverage. Request policy quotes for all your reduction options from your current company and go online to see who's selling for less. Ask your company to compare the cost of reducing coverage with simply obtaining a brand new policy at a lower rate. Remember, you're older and it's probably going to cost a little more, so evaluate all your options. Obtain an insurance reduction request form from your existing carrier so you can lower the value of that current policy or fulfill the policy cancellation form for termination. Be careful. Complete all the paperwork and return it along with your original term life insurance contract to your company's policy revision department. For a new policy, you're going to have to fill out background information, family info, answer specific health questions, be concerned about your demographics, and probably need a company medical exam if you're looking for coverage north of $1 million. Review the new policy documents when they arrive. I know we all do it. We look for our name. Did they spell it right? Did we get the right amount? But be sure that the application was accurate and the underwriting they promised you, preferred or standard, is exactly what you got. Ensure your policy provisions are unchanged and store your new or reduced policy in a safe place that's known by both you and your beneficiaries. Remember, don't cancel anything before your new policy is issued and in place. That is super important. I'm Frank Darras, founding partner, Darras Law, Ontario, California.